You searched for it. Okay, guys, try not to laugh, but yes, Tickle Challenge Part 3, it's here.
Part 1 had the 3 tools.
Part 2 had the mystery tickles. Now it's Tickle Roulette and the wheel decides.
So we loaded 6 punishments into the wheel.
Because we are not picking chaos randomly anymore.
No.
We're not gonna do it.
No.
Not doing it.
So the wheel chooses, and we lose full control.
Oh no. Rules are simple. Number 1, spin the wheel.
All right.
Number 2, whatever it lands on, you have to do it on the other person's feet. Changed it up on you.
Really changed it up.
That was a viewer's idea that we switch it up a little bit. So let's see how this works out. Number 3, try not to laugh. Try not to pull away.
And if you dare to laugh, oh my God.
You lose publicly and emotionally.
And don't forget, these toes are snitches.
Oh my God. Don't say that like it's normal.
But you know it's true.
All right,
my
spin
God.
it, girl. Just
Let's
spin
see.
it. Just
Let's see.
spin it. I don't want to look.
I'm nervous.
Just tell me.
Velvet sock slide.
That sounds innocent. That sounds light and soft, like a bunny rabbit.
I mean, that's how the feather got you last time. You thought it was gonna be so easy, so simple, and she absolutely crumbled in that one.
my toes are ready.
Yeah, toes, arch. We're doing all over,
it sounds
baby.
innocent.
It's gonna be crazy.
Velvet.
Don't get me wrong. Velvet, fuzzy socks, slide. I get it.
Piece
I get
of cake. Piece of cake.
Easy peasy.
Easy peasy. Okay, why is that weirdly tickly? Okay, that's weirdly tickly. Okay. No, look at her face. Stop. I can't. Is that considered
She
a
broke.
laugh?
That was a laugh. You saw her face,
kinda
right?
like it, though.
You like everything.
I like everything.
There's nothing this girl isn't into. It's not your
Don't
fault.
tell my secrets. Okay, let's do next one. It's your turn. It's your
It's
turn.
my turn. I'm nervous. What is it?
Cotton ball swarm.
No. Oh my God. What the heck? No, I hate.
Balls.
You guys don't understand.
That's her phobia.
Like, I know a lot of people think they're like cloudy and soft and everything. No, they're like too soft where it's like scratchy. It's like icky.
She hates the texture.
I'm really not gonna be able
let's do
to
it.
laugh.
Ready?
Oh my God. Yeah.
You can't laugh. You can't move.
I can't.
Let's go. Okay, you want me to think you hate this, but
No, you know I hate this stuff. You know I hate this stuff. You know Oh my God. No, please stop. I can't.
no, you can't.
I can't.
You're
I really
pulling
can't.
away. You're pulling.
I can't.
You're pulling away.
I literally, this is gross.
Okay.
It's
It's
killing
because
me.
your toes are
No,
snitches.
It's literally, my toes are like giggling.
No, her
They're
toes are
like-
snitches.
They're crying.
They're snitches.
Yeah. So now you believe that they're snitches?
They're snitches.
Now you believe toes
They're
are snitches?
snitches.
Stop! What is it? What is it?
Mystery squish.
Squish? What?
Honestly, from part 2, I don't trust anything that says mystery.
You?
I don't trust anything that
I
says
still
mystery.
have trauma from the spaghetti from last time. What do you mean? Oh, but it feels good, kinda.
It does, right?
Oh my, I did not expect that.
I love the way it feels.
Let me see. Literal spaghetti trauma.
I just don't like anything that's a
Squishy
mystery.
Well, I don't think anyone likes anything they don't know.
Okay, just be ready. Here you go.
Ready? Well, okay. I guess I'm ready.
Okay, ready?
Yeah. Okay, I think. I'm nervous.
Eyes closed.
Ugh, you know I hate suspense even more than tickling, girl. Oh my, wait.
Don't pull away.
What? Why does it feel alive?
Okay.
What?
Okay,
What?
I promise you it's not spaghetti though.
What did you put? Oh my god. Oh my, what is that? Stop. I can't.
You pulled away. You pulled away. You pulled away.
Because I can't. Sponges? Wet sponges. Wet sponges.
Somebody left a comment to do that.
Oh my god.
It
No,
was
you
a
guys
good
don't
one.
understand. It felt like it was like real, like alive, like
It was
like,
good.
like an animal.
It was good.
It's crazy. One more spin. The wheel hasn't ruined us completely yet.
Yeah.
Yeah, yet. That's why I said yet.
This is my downfall.
Icy spoon trials. Ooh. Icy again? Oh my god.
I hate cold.
No, I'm gonna have the shivers like crazy.
Oh.
It's gonna burn like last time.
I gotta prepare for that one.
Mentally prepare, physically prepare, emotionally prepare.
Okay, brace yourself.
All right, hold on. Mentally.
Ready?
Okay. Oh, that's cold and it hurts. Oh, it burns.
That's called character development.
Yeah, you're funny. Okay.
No, don't
Okay.
pull away.
No, but it's hurt.
You know the rules.
It's hurting. How long have these been in the freezer for? I can't.
Like 2 days.
I can't. 2 days. Oh my goodness.
Okay, this is the final spin.
Yeah.
Okay.
Final.
Okay, please, Will. Do not embarrass me. Please do not embarrass me. Please do not embarrass me. Please do not embarrass me. Okay, spin it.
You're asking the wheel for mercy.
I am.
You know it doesn't have that setting, right? This wheel
Just
has
don't embarrass
been
me.
absolutely crazy towards us. What is it? Rubber glove hand. Ooh.
Why is it called a hand?
Because it's coming for you. All for you. Basically gonna try to grab
Okay,
you.
can I tap out on this one?
Already? You haven't even felt it.
Okay, fine.
You can tap out as soon as you feel
fine.
it.
Okay,
then
fine.
I'll
Let's
win
do it. Let's do
instantly.
it. Let's do it.
All right, you ready?
Yeah.
I'm excited to do this one.
Okay. Oh my god!
You feel it?
It feels like a haunted high five. Oh, I don't like that.
Oh, you're laughing already. You're
Oh.
there. You already pulled back.
No, I already
That was an instant meltdown. Literally, as soon as I touched her.
I'm horrible.
You lose. Yup, instantly. Okay, guys, I lost. This wheel here is possessed. I'm convinced. A little bit, it's a lot of bit. Are you kidding me? Every single time I asked for something simple, it gave me the hardest one. She got the easy one.
Sorry.
We need a rerun, a redo.
Okay, guys, comment down below which punishments we should use in part 4.
Oh yeah,
Because we got some good ones coming in. So
oh my god,
let
I
us know.
love the
Give us some
suggestions.
ideas, guys, because
Please.
actually to punish her with.
Okay, punish us both. But definitely
Mainly
her
her.
more because
No,
this time I
her.
got a lot. This time I got a lot. Like if you guys did these challenges, who would you rather? You rather of hers because they're easier. Mine were harder.
It's fine. So make sure
That's
you
why I
guys
lost.
comment down below which punishments we should use for part 4.
And let us know.